How to buy the XRP on Binance. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, let's talk about two different methods by which you can buy XRP using USDT. To get started with, open and launch the Binance app. Once that is done, log in using your credentials and verify your identity. Then from the search bar, type in XRP. Select the XRP USDT trading pair. After that, you can tap on the buy button. On the purchase page, enter the amount of USDT you want to spend. You can use the slider to adjust the percentage of your portfolio you wish to use. To buy XRP, your order will be placed at the specific price and XRP will be added to your Binance account once the price condition is met. Step 2 is using the convert feature. For this, you have to tap on the Binance profile on the top left corner. Tap on convert button. On this page, set the from field to USDT and the to field to XRP. After that, enter the amount of USDT to convert. Tap preview conversion and then you can convert. XRP will be credited to your account after this. So that's it for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.